E aí, pessoal, iniciando a live aqui. Hoje vai ser hip hop anos 2000. Então vamos que vamos, né?
Catch me riding dirty, tryna 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 catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, tryna 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 catch me riding dirty. They can see me lean, I'm tense so it ain't easy to be seen. When they see me ride by, they can see the gleam. And I shine on the deck in the TV screen. Ride with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the PlayStation controller is a full clip in my send a jacker into a coma. Girl, you ain't on crazy like Crazy Bone. Just tryna bone, ain't tryna have no babies. Ride clean as hell, so I pull in ladies. Laws on patrol, and you know they hate me. The music turn all the way up into the maximum. I can speak this, try to jack for some, but we packing something that we have for we have it locked up in the maximum security cell. I'm gripping music loud and I'm tipping slow. Twin steady twisting like hit this dough. Behind and it's in his throat. The windows down, gotta stop pollution. City changed like who is that producing? That's the plan skills when we out and cruising. Got warrants in every city except Houston, but I still ain't losing. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. 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 My music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty. Trying to 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 catch me riding
popo scope, this big old scourge just swerving. All up in the curb, man. Been sipping on the hit and singing the gin again, the sin again. We in the wind, doing 100 while I puff on the blunt. I roll another one up, we living like we ain't doing. I got a blunt up in my right hand. What's in my left, freezing my rolling up the tree, green leaves and all. Coming pretty deep, me and my dog, Joe. Like a nigga the back streets. Wonder about the 6 pounds that I got heat. Block shots to the block, we creak, pop, hook. See me on the low key. With no regard for the law, we dodge them like come on. But I won't get caught up and brought up on charges for none of y'all. Keep a car in a budget spot. Well, up if you want, the poppin' dog. Ready or not, we in the air, crazy bone and chameleon.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. 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 My music's so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty. Trying to 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 catch me riding dirty. Know what you thinking, so I try to let you go. Turn on my blinker light and then I swing it slow. Step for show, cause they think they know that they catching me with plenty of the drink and draw. So they get behind me trying to check my tags. Look at my rear view when they smiling, thinking they'll catch me in the wrong and keep trying. Steady denying that it's racial profiling. Houston, Texas, you can check my tags. Pull me over, try to check my slab. Glove compartment, gotta get my cash. Cause the crooked cops try to come up fast. And being the baller that I am, I talk to them, giving a damn about them not feeling my attitude. When they realize I ain't even riding dirty, bet you'll be leaving with it even matter. I'ma laugh at you and then I have to cruise. Jamming number 2 on some more DJ screws. You can't arrest me, plus you can't sue. This is a message to the law, tell them we had you. We touch, so tell them that they should've known. Tip it down, sitting cooking on my chrome. Booking my phone, finding a chick I wanna bone. Like they couldn't stop me, I'm about to pull up at your home. They see me
she ain't nothing like cute face, nice size like stay kidded, hood with it like mean won't talk the talk, let me tell you some more. I knew that when I ran into this one, she would be the red room of my pimpin'. Knew she'd be the one to make me stop caring about other girls on my jock and getting them. She was the one to
the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. In the closet, that's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, please don't touch. And keep talking and mess, that's fine. But could you walk and talk at the same time? And it's my name that's on that tag. So remove your bag, let me call you a cab. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I could have an
Everybody got a young boy ready to do. If you take a chance and let me put them things on you, I can show you why I make them straight A's in school. I'm a hustler, just my frame and age got you thinking that I'm just too young to turn your page. I can picture us switching lanes in the coupe with you on the phone screaming my name. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You make me like you like what I get. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the leg. You could be in the back saying, give me, give me, give me. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You make me like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the leg. You could be in the back saying, give me, give me, give me. Girl, you're serious and I've been watching you.
One shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment that you capture, just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. Souls escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games. I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this motherfucking roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life, and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see this order caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another
now that's a semi-auto. In the vest on my chest, I try not to say nothing. The DA like one playing court, but I wanna duck nigga down like it's a sport. Front on me, I'll cut your gun, butt your buck. Do you getting money? I can't get nothing with you, then fuck you. I'm not the type to get out for DWI. I'm the type that can you connect when the coke price rise. Gangsters, they bump my shit, them they know me. I grew up around some niggas that's not my homies. 100 G's, I stash it. The Mac, I blast it. These come, we dump the diesel and battery acid. This flow's been mastered. The ice, I flash it. Tooks me, I had your mama picking out your casket, bastard. I'm on the next level. Right link, baguette, bezel, Benz pedal to the metal. Hotter than the tea kettle, blood. What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. G-Unit. We don't play that. I sit back, twist the best bud, burn and wonder when gangsters bump my shit. Can they hear my hunger? When the fifth kick, duck quick, it sound like thunder. In December, I make the block feel like summer. The rap critics say I can rhyme. The fiends say my dope is a 9. Every chick I fuck with is a dime. I'm like Patty LaBelle, homie, I'm home, my own. Where I lay my hat's my own. I'm a rolling stone, cross my path, I crush it. Thinking I won't touch it, I had your ass who's in a wheelchair. Cane no crutches, industry hoes fuckers. In the hood, they love us. Stomp a bone out your ass with some brand new chuckers. What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. G-Unit. We don't play around. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. G-Unit. We don't play around. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. G-Unit. We don't play around. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. G-Unit. We don't play around.
She just moved right up the block for me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this with him mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home, but it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to
come
me.
on.
I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin' out here about they girls. No way, hey, no they gon' fight over no day, hey, as you can see. But I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seater. Now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. But don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
you don't know what you mean to me.
Come on.
I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you.
Touche-moi, je suis là. S'il te plaît, réponds-moi. Un geste suffira. Est-ce que tu m'aperçois? Eh oh, 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 oh. Est-ce que tu m'entends? Eh oh. Est-ce que tu me sens? Touche-moi, je suis là. S'il te plaît, réponds-moi. Un geste suffira. Est-ce que tu m'aperçois? Eh oh, 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 oh. Yeah.
Anybody, cause they seem to do it. Barricades, I run right through them. You to them. Throw all the dirt you want. No you. Still won't have a pin up in a fabulous room. Bone her back, picking out a basket of fruit. I love you, boo. Yeah, freaking Petey love you too. You know how I do. That good, good.
You may look at me and think that I'm just a young girl, but I'm not just a young girl, baby. This is what I'm looking for. Sexy, independent, gonna spend it, type that's getting started. I'm not being too dramatic, that's the way I gotta have it. I bet you want the body, bet you thought about it, got you a means I'm not going home with you. You won't get no nookie or the cookies. I'm no rookie. I'm sexy, independent. I ain't waiting, so you already know. I'm not being too dramatic. That's the way I gotta have it. You need to sleep, try to hit, but I'm not done. I'm not being too dramatic. It's just how I gotta have it. I bet you want the goodies, bet you got a body, that you are hot and bothered. Because I talk around it, looking for the goodies. Keep on looking 'cause they stay in the jar.
So damn hot, but so young. Still got milk in your tongue. Slow down, little one. We ain't got long. Hey, shawty. You know, you think you bad, but you ain't bad. I'll show you what bad is. Bad is when you capable of beating the baddest. I've been working at it ever since I came to this planet. I ain't quite there yet, but I'm getting better at it. Matter of fact, let me tell it to you one more again. All I got to do is tell a girl who I am. Ain't now a chick in here that I can't have. Bada boom, bada bam, bam.
You're insinuating that I'm hot, but these goodies, boy, are not. Just for any of the many men that's trying to get on top. No, you can't call me later, and I don't want your number. I'm not changing stories, just respect the play I'm calling. I bet you want the goodies, bet you got a body, that you are hot and bothered. Because I talk around it, looking for the goodies. Keep on looking 'cause they stay in the jar.
Ever since I made the change over,
don't lose it. This new Snoop shit, come on baby boo, you got to get into it. Gone forward to play with the cool wit. Yeah, you know I'm always on that cool shit. Walk to it, do it how you do it. Have a glass, let me put you in the mood. Little cutie, looking like a student. Long hair with your big fat booty. Back in the days, you was the girl I went to school with. Had to tell your mom and sister to cool it. The girl wanna do it, I just might do it. Hit her off with some pimp fluid. Mommy, don't worry, I won't abuse it. Hurry up and finish so you can watch Clueless. I laugh at these niggas when they ask who do this, but everybody know who girl that you is.
Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Oh yeah, there's something about you. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Oh yeah, there's something about you.
When I see my baby boo shit, I get foolish. Smack a nigga that tries to pursue it. Homeboy, she taking, just move it. I asked you nicely, don't make the dog lose it. We just blow throw and keep the flow moving. In a 6'4", me and baby boo cruising. Body ragging, interior blueing. Had him hydraulic squeaking when we screwing. Now she yelling, hollering out, snooping, hooting, hollering, hooting. Black and beautiful, you the one I'm choosing. Hair long and black and curly like a Cuban. Keep grooving, that's what we doing. And we gon' be together until your mom's moving. Got my pictures on the wall in your room, and girls be complaining, you keep me booming. But girls like that wanna listen to Pat Boone. Use a college girl, but that don't stop you from doing. Come and see the dog in the hood near you. And you don't ask why I roll with a crew. And twist up my fingers and wear dark blue. And on the east side, that's the crew I choose. Nothing I do is lose you. I smack up the world if they lose you. 'Cause baby girl, you're so cute.
I was like, good gracious.
like you know. Mama, I like how you dance, the way you fit in them pants into the flow. Take it low, girl, do it again. You know I love that. Now where them girls at? It's Diddy, Murphy, Lee, and Nelly. How you love that? Come on, we got another one, player. From New York to the dirty, how they loving it, play. Baby, you impressive. Let's get to know each other. You the best of the best. And you gotta love it in the dress. It's the sexiest. I had to tell her she's a young Janet Jackson, live and living color. Look at mama, you're dead wrong for having them pants on. Caprice cut low, so when you shake it, I see your thong. Our pockets full of dough, shaking feathers to the moon. And it's bad boy and Nelly, man, somebody better want him. Yeah.
Time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, let's give it a whirl. See, I've been watching you, and I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that ass shaking thing you do. So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, let me rock you to the break of day. Dance with me, I don't mean no harm. Just wanna rock you, girl. You can move, but be calm. Let's go, let's give it a whirl. See, it appears to me you like the way I move. I tell you what I'm gonna do. Pull you close and share my groove. So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, let me rock you to the break of day. Dance with me.
Talk to me, boy.
Disrespect, I don't mean no harm.
Talk to me, boy.
I can't wait to have you in my arms.
Talk to me, boy.
Hurry up, 'cause you're taking too long.
Talk to me, boy.
Have you naked by the end of this song. So what did you come
I came to dance with you. Came to romance with you. And don't take the chance if love is here on the floor.
Dance with me. Yeah. Come on, baby. Don't be so quick to don't walk away. Come on, dance with me. I wanna rock your body. Let me rock your body. Come on, dance with me. You don't have to admit you have to admit you wanna play. Just dance with me. Let me rock you to the break of day. Come on, dance with me.
Talk to me, boy.
No disrespect, I don't mean no harm.
Talk to me, boy.
I can't wait to have you in my arms.
Talk to me, boy.
Hurry up, 'cause you're taking too long.
What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children
practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
It just ain't the same, always new change. New days are strange, is the world insane? If love and peace is so strong, why are the pieces of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering. As the youth are young, so ask yourself, is the loving really gone? So I could ask myself, really what is going wrong in this world that we living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them dividends. Not respecting each other, denying thy brother. A war's going on, but the reason's undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. What's the love, y'all? Come on, I don't know. What's the truth, y'all? Come on, I don't know. Where's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. When you practice what you preach, and would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
I feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I'm getting older, your people get colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Yeah. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. There's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive till love is found.
Just copped a Bentley and it's parked in my garage. A 2 o'clock appointment for my massage. And everywhere we go, they know just who we are. There they go, it's them ghetto superstars. The latest throwback in the ones on my feet. Get out the Benz and then I'm off up in the G. Taking flicks with chicks that look like Alicia Keys. All of that, I'm still missing one thing. Hey, everything I wanted.
Girlfriend,
Yeah. And everything that I
girlfriend, girlfriend,
would you be mine?
girlfriend, girlfriend.
We hit the mall and buy a ball of Nike suits. I'm being married while I'm chilling by the pool. From the show to the limo to the club. Hands in the air, showing nothing but some love. Got plenty clothes, plenty ice, plenty cash. I'm pretty swole, pretty ass, plenty. I got every single thing that I need, except for a main squeeze. I need a girlfriend. Oh, oh, oh. Girlfriend. I need a girlfriend. Oh. I need a girlfriend. Would you be my
Girlfriend, girlfriend.
Check 1, 2. Alright, we got B2K up in this beat.
Tell me who's gonna be my girl.
And we need all the ladies out there looking for a nice fella to get up out y'all seat. Come on. Put your hands up, y'all. Put your hands up. Yeah. Who's gonna be that ride or die chick for me tonight? Yeah.
I need a number one. I need a thing with big hips. That's just my motivation. No more game preparation. This is preparation. She must be ready and steady for a grown man session. I'm talking willing to learn a little fizz lesson. Now she planning it again and now we arguing. Talking girl talk lesson, telling all her friends. But I seen this new chick tonight and I'ma make her my girlfriend. My girlfriend. I need a girlfriend. Girlfriend. Someone for me.
Girlfriend,
to sit down, this may take a